Welcome to Raaghu, an AI-powered development platform with a design system that makes your web applications smoother, faster, scalable, and more cohesive. Raaghu comprises of over 250 design tokens, not just limiting to colors, typography, and spacing. This evolving design system is limitless, helping you to design an intuitive and visually cohesive web application. But here's the thing, design systems aren't one size fits all. That's why Raaghu is not just flexible, but it's modular. So what are the signs that you might need a system like Raaghu? Maybe you're redesigning frequently, spending hours maintaining consistency, or dealing with scaling challenges. These are clear signals that Raaghu can help you keep things on track. Raaghu not only simplifies design and development, but also adapts to new updates seamlessly, making maintenance much easier down the line. Plus, with Raaghu's storybook integration, developers can quickly access React-based component codes, ensuring that every design detail is fully realized in development. An essential part of managing a design system is regular audits. With Raaghu, auditing your designs is very simple. Just follow our built-in processes to ensure everything remains consistent. For implementation, Raaghu is crafted to integrate smoothly with Figma, making it an easy fit in your design toolkit. And for the development side, Raaghu's storybook repository provides React-based components that bring your designs directly into code, making the designer-developer handoff quite seamless. So whether you're a designer or a developer, Raaghu is here to help you build beautiful, consistent, and efficient applications. Be sure to check out our other videos in this series to dive deeper into what Raaghu has to offer. Thanks for watching, and let's create something amazing together with Raaghu.